Are you tired of spending hours creating presentation and infographics that still look amateur? If you're someone who struggles with design but needs to create professional looking content for your business, presentations, or social media, you've probably wondered if AI design tools are worth the hype. Today, you're going to discover whether Venngage AI is the solution you've been searching for or just another overpromised tool that underdelivers. Before we dive deep, let me explain what you're dealing with here. Venngage AI is an artificial intelligence powered design platform that promises to help you create stunning infographics, presentations, reports, and social media graphics without any design experience. You simply input your content or ideas, and the AI generates professional designs for you. Sounds amazing, right? But does it actually work? Let's find out. When you first sign up for Venngage, you'll notice the interface is clean and intuitive. You don't need to be a tech wizard or to navigate around. The onboarding process walks you through the basics, and within minutes, you're ready to start creating. Here's what impressed me right away: the variety of templates available. You've got options for business presentations, social media posts, infographics, reports, and even branded materials. The AI doesn't just throw random designs at you, it actually asks about your brand, your audience, and your ghost. But here's your first reality check. While the setup is smooth, you'll quickly realize that the quality of your output heavily depends on the quality of your input. If you give the AI vague instructions, you'll get mediocre results. Let's talk about what you really want to know. How well does the AI actually perform? Content generation. You can input a topic and Venngage AI will generate both the content and design. I tested this with the presentation about digital marketing trends 2025. The AI created relevant talking points and structured them logically. However, you'll still need to fact check and personalize the content. It's not a magic solution that eliminates all your work. Design automation. This is where Venngage shines. You input your content, choose a style preference, and the AI creates multiple design variations. The layouts are genuinely professional looking, and the color schemes are sophisticated. You're not getting those amateur flower designs that screams, I use a free template. Brand consistency. Once you upload your brand colors and fonts, the AI maintains consistency across all your designs. This is huge if you're creating multiple pieces of content and want them to look cohesive. Smart suggestions. As you work, the AI suggests improvements, alternative layouts, and complementary design elements. It's like having a design assistant that actually knows what they're doing. Let me be honest about what genuinely impressed me. You'll save a massive amount of time. What used to take your hours now takes minutes. I created a 10 slide presentation in under 15 minutes and it looked like something a professional designer would charge hundreds for. The learning curve is minimal even if you've never touched a design tool before. You'll be creating design content within your first session. The AI handles the technical aspect while you focus on your message. The template variety is extensive. Whether you need something corporate or and conservative or creative and bold, you've got options that actually look current and professional. Now, let's talk about the frustrations you'll encounter. The AI sometimes misinterprets your instructions. You might ask for a modern minimalist design and get something that's neither modern nor minimalist. You'll need to be very specific with your prompts. Customization can be limiting. While the AI gives you great starting points, if you want to make significant changes, you might find yourself fighting against the system's suggestions. The pricing isn't cheap. For full access to all features, you're looking at a monthly subscription that might not fit every budget, especially if you're just getting started. Here's the breakdown you need to know. Venngage offers a free plan, but it's quite limited. You'll get a watermark designs and basic templates fine for testing but not for professional use. The premium plans start around $10 per month, which gets you more templates, remove watermarks, and gives you access to the AI features. The business plans runs about $24 per monthly and includes team collaboration features. Here's my take. If you're creating design content regularly for your business or clients, the time savings alone justify the cost. But if you only need occasional designs, you might want to consider pay-per-use alternatives. You'll get the most value from Venngage AI if you're a small business owner who needs professional marketing materialist but doesn't have a design budget. You'll create a content that looks expensive without the expensive price tag. A content marketer who produces regular social media posts, blog graphics, and presentations, The AI will maintain your brand consistency while speeding up your workflow. An educator or trainer who creates presentations and educational materials, the AI helps you focus on your content while ensuring your visuals are engaging. However, if you're a professional designer or someone who enjoys the creative process, you might find the AI limiting rather than helpful. Let's be fair. Venngage isn't your only option. You might also consider Canva's AI features, which are more affordable but less sophisticated, Gamma AI for presentation specifically, Adobe Express if you want something with more professional design tools. Each has its strengths, but Venngage strikes a good balance between ease of use and professional results. If you're working with a team, you'll appreciate the collaboration features, though they come with caveats. Team members can comment on designs, suggest edits, and work on projects simultaneously. The version control system prevents the chaos of multiple people editing the same file, but the interface can feel sluggish when multiple users are active. The brand kit sharing feature is particularly valuable for agencies or larger teams. Once you set up brand guidelines and everyone has access to the same fonts, colors, and logo files, ensuring consistency across all team created content. However, the permission settings could be more granular. You can restrict access to specific brand elements or templates. Here's something that might frustrate you. Export quality varies significantly depending on your plan. The free version exports at lower resolution with watermarks, while premium plans offer high resolution PNG, PDF, and even animated GIF options. The PDF experts are particularly clean and print ready, which is crucial for business materials. Venngage plays reasonably well with other tools in your workflow. You can import content from Google Drive, Dropbox, and even pull data directly from Google Sheets for chart creation. The Slack integration allows team notifications about project updates, though it's not as seamless as native Slack apps. One significant workflow advantage is the template duplication feature. Once you create a design, you're happy with it, you can use the template for the future projects, maintaining consistency while adapting content. This is particularly valuable for recurring reports or social media series. Here's my honest assessment. It's not perfect, but it's genuinely useful. You'll create a better looking designs faster than you could manually do, but you shouldn't expect it to replace human creativity entirely. The AI works best when you treat it as a sophisticated assistant rather than a complete solution. Give it a clear direction, be willing to make adjustments, and you'll get results that will surprise you. If you're someone who struggles with design but needs professional looking content, Venngage AI is worth trying. The time savings alone might justify the investment. Look, AI design tools are rapidly evolving, and Venngage is positioning itself well in this space. You're not going to become a design expert overnight, but you will create a content that looks professional and polished. My recommendation? Try the free version first, create a few designs, see if the AI style matches your needs, and then decide if the premium features are worth the investment for your specific situation.